Hey guys, what's going on? So I just wanted to post something about the Bentley Continental. This is a 2008 and I've been having a little problem with it and for the last couple days. I couldn't get the trunk open. It hasn't been working. Look, nothing. Doesn't work. I searched around on the internet and everyone says something else. A lot of people say it's stuck, you could force it open. There is a manual release just here in the back seat. You have to get here. If you remove this seat, there's a manual release. If it works for you, that's good. Your battery is probably dead. If it doesn't work for you, then you probably had the same problem as I did. You were just on the wrong key. So this is it. Turns out that I have the valet key and it doesn't open the trunk or the glove box. Just test it. Nothing. So now, need to go make a new key. Problem solved. I hope that helps.